have the Kenworth LED aluminum step plate here. It includes the necessary mounting bolts, which would go in these two locations and then these two here. If you choose that you don't want to use the mounting bolts that are included in the package, you can flip it over. It is hard aluminum, so it is very sturdy, but you can go ahead and use 3M double-sided tape on the back if you choose to do that and you don't want to drill through your step. Again, this is very hard aluminum. You won't have any issues with this breaking or cracking. So I'll start with the battery pack here to show you the wiring, how you get each color option. We'll start with the black wire first. That's going to be the hot wire, and then we can go ahead and choose the different colors that we want. The red wire will go ahead and illuminate red. The white wire will go ahead and illuminate white. And then the yellow wire will go ahead and illuminate amber. If you choose that you want to go ahead and do an additional color, which would be pink, you can go ahead and combine the red and white wires, and that'll go ahead and give you that pink cool color option. If you have dual color LEDs on your truck, that is something you can go ahead and look at running a pink option as well. If you hook this up to a switch, you can go ahead and switch it from any of the additional regular colors, which would either be red, white, amber, or you can go ahead and choose that pink color option as well.